Hi, I'm Mark Polk with RV Education 101, and today we are discussing and demonstrating the Security View Centurion digital wireless observation system. I want to begin with two key points. The Security View Centurion digital wireless system is a safety upgrade for your RV, and it is one of the easiest rear view camera systems to install in your trailer, truck, or motorhome. Safety is paramount to RV owners, so added visibility when you are towing just makes good sense and increases the driver's confidence. The system's simplicity makes it a great choice for the RV consumer. It's simple to use, simple to install, and simple to start up. Lots of RVs today come pre-wired for a backup camera and already have a camera bracket installed. This system mounts to the existing camera brackets installed on your RV at the factory. It also includes a mounting bracket that can be used by customers who own vehicles that do not have a compatible mounting bracket. Before I demonstrate the simple installation process, let's look at some of the Security View Centurion features. Centurion's 7-inch TrueSight HD display. The bright, high-contrast screen offers wide viewing angles, and it's crystal clear even in sunlight. Centurion's Night Secure low-light camera tech offers exceptional clarity at night where most systems struggle. Centurion's Instant Connect wireless link. Get a stable digital connection with no dropouts, even on long trailers and motorhomes. Centurion's Rapid Mount install system is designed specifically for dealer service bays. It installs in under 20 minutes. The system comes pre-paired from the factory. It works with existing RV 12-volt wiring. It is compatible with most pre-wired camera mounts, specifically the Furion shark fin bracket. Rugged waterproof construction. IP67 waterproof rated housing and sealed electronics for long-term reliability. One of the best ratings in the industry. Now I want to demonstrate the easy installation process. This is on a unit that was pre-wired at the factory and already has a camera mounting bracket installed. This is the simplest installation. Remove the camera bracket plate. Plug the camera into the pre-wire. Install the antenna. Align the screw holes of the camera with the holes of the pre-wire mount and screw the Security View Centurion camera in. You're finished. The system is pre-paired. Simply plug the monitor in, press the red power button, turn the parking lights on, and turn the monitor power on. For newer used units that are not factory pre-wired for a camera, the Centurion kit includes everything you need. For warranty purposes on new units, it's best to let the RV dealer install the product for you, and your RV dealer can include the cost of the system and the installation in the financing, which will hardly affect your monthly payment. The kit includes a patented helm guard bracket housing, the camera, the monitor, and all the accessories and wiring components. For RV dealers, if the unit is pre-wired, it's easy to include this plug-and-play safety upgrade in with the purchase and financing of the unit. Whether your RV is already pre-wired or not, the Security View Centurion digital wireless observation system is the perfect upgrade for your RV. The added visibility enhances safety and increases driver confidence, and it's simple to install, simple to start up, and simple to use. For more information on the Centurion observation system, see below in the video description.